Hey everybody, this is Johan Nordstrom, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the best candlestick patterns, namely the Bullish Engulfing candle, and 3 upgrades how you can use it to find more winning trades. Okay, so this is the Bullish Engulfing pattern. Now, the first thing you need for a Bullish Engulfing candle is a downtrend. And at the bottom you want a bearish candle. Then you want a bullish candle that opens at or below the previous close and closes at or above the previous open. And you also want the close to be near the high of the candle, so no tails on the upside. And at the close you then expect a new move higher, showing you that the bulls are in control. Let's look at a real chart example. Here in the red circle you can see a bullish engulfing pattern. Now, as we talked about, you first have a downtrend and a bearish candle at the bottom. Then you have an open of the bullish candle at or below the previous close and a close at or above the previous open. And as you can see here, we close above the previous candle. So we go from a move down, the bullish engulfing, and a move up. Okay, so now I want to show you 3 upgrades you can use to get more winning trades using the bullish engulfing candle. And the first thing you want to look for is to always trade in the direction of the trend. So as you can see here at the left, we start low and we continue higher. So we're making higher highs. And if you trade the bullish engulfing candle in the direction of the trend, you're basically taking entries in a retrace. The second upgrade I want you to look for when trading the bullish engulfing candle is support. So as you can see here, we have a previous low right at the level where the bullish engulfing candle appears. And the third thing I want you to look for is round numbers. And as you can see in this example, you have a bullish engulfing candle right at the 1200 level. And round numbers are something that's really powerful and something you should absolutely trade. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you trade bullish engulfing candles? Leave a comment below and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching and to your success. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you want more trading strategies, please subscribe to my channel. We got a lot of cool content here. Thanks again for watching.